Welcome to this tutorial on capturing groups in PowerShell Regex. Capturing groups are one of the most powerful features of regular expressions, allowing you to extract specific parts of match text. In this video, you'll learn how to use parentheses to capture portions of your matches and access them for further processing. This skill is essential for parsing structured data like emails, dates, phone numbers, and more. So what exactly are capturing groups? A capturing group is created by wrapping part of your regex pattern in parentheses. When the pattern matches, the text that matches the part inside the parentheses is captured and stored separately. The main purpose of capturing groups is to extract specific parts of a match, rather than just finding the entire pattern. For example, if you're matching an email address, you might want to capture the username and domain separately instead of just knowing that an email was found. The syntax for creating a capturing group is simple. You wrap any regex pattern in parentheses. The opening parenthesis followed by your pattern, followed by the closing parenthesis. That's it. Any valid regex pattern can be placed inside the parentheses to create a capturing group. You can have multiple capturing groups in a single pattern, and they can even be nested within each other. Let's look at a practical example. Here we have a text variable containing the string email:john@example.com. We use the match operator with a pattern that has two capturing groups. The first group, \w+, captures one or more word characters before the @ symbol. The second group captures the domain name. After the match, PowerShell automatically creates a special variable called $matches. Index 0 contains the full match, john@example.com. Index 1 contains the first captured group, John. And index 2 contains the second captured group, example.com. Understanding the $matches variable is crucial. It's a hash table that PowerShell automatically populates when you use the match operator. Index 0 always contains the entire matched string. Index 1 contains what the first set of parentheses captured. Index 2 contains what the second set of parentheses captured, and so on. Each capturing group in your pattern gets its own index number, starting from 1. This makes it easy to access specific parts of your match. Here's a real-world example of extracting date components. We have a date string in the format year-month-day. The pattern uses 3 capturing groups. \d curly brace 4 captures 4 digits for the year. \d curly brace 2 captures 2 digits for the month. And another \d curly brace 2 captures 2 digits for the day. After matching, we can assign each captured group to meaningful variable names. $year gets 2024, $month gets 03, and $day gets 15. This makes your code much more readable and maintainable. While numeric indexes work fine, named capturing groups make your code even more readable. The syntax uses a question mark followed by angle brackets with the name inside, then your pattern. In this example, we name the first group code and the second group num. Instead of using numeric indexes, you can now access the captured values by name. $matches at the key code returns a BC, and $matches at the key num returns 123. Named groups are especially helpful when you have many capturing groups or when someone else needs to read your code later. Let's recap the key points. First, use parentheses around any part of your regex pattern to capture that portion of the match. Second, access your captured values through the $matches variable using numeric indexes, where index 0 is always the full match. Third, named capturing groups improve code readability by letting you use descriptive names instead of numbers. And finally, capturing groups are perfect for parsing structured text data like dates, emails, phone numbers, URLs, and any other formatted strings. With practice, capturing groups will become an essential tool in your PowerShell Regex toolkit.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.